Sidai Bang is the monkey. There's the monkey.
What year were you
The
born?
monkey, and hey with the monkeys.
1968 Sidai Bang.
How old are you?
44.
Alright, you want me
So
to...
I can't calculate.
Let's read it. Let's see if it's accurate.
What's it say?
Monkeys are extremely intelligent, clever, witty, personable, and well-liked individuals.
That's me, alright.
They possess a flair for decision making and are sure-footed in financial matters. Endowed with superior intelligence and a quick mind, along with being a master of intrigue and guile, the monkey will solve any problem or escape from any ticklish situation. These exceptional qualities ensure success in any endeavor. Rats and dragons are favored by a monkey.
You're good with Keel. Keel's a rat.
So there is the monkey.
Hey,
Here is Sidai Bang.
Hey, you're good with Keel and Ken.